Naomi is going on holiday and intends to read 4 books during her time away. She selects these books from 5 mystery, 3 crime and 2 romance novels. Find a number of ways in which she can make her selection in each of the following cases. So no restrictions at all. So she has got altogether 10 books here. And from those she just wants to choose 4. So just 10 choose 4. So 10 choose 4. So that's 210. She selects at least 2 mystery books. So how many mystery books could she choose? She could choose 2 of them. She could choose 3 of them. She could choose all 4. And if we do that, there's no other books to choose from. In this case, she would have to choose 2 other books from the 5. And in this case, she'd have to choose 1 other book. So we have got 5 choose 2 times 5 choose 2. So that's 100. I know this one's going to be 50. Actually, I say that. I'm going to check that. 5C3 is 10, yeah, and this one's 5, so that is 50. And 5 choose 4, I know that one's 5. So adding those gives me 155 choices. And then she selects at least 1 book of each type. So there's lots of potential choices here. I've got 4 books to make up these choices from. So what could she do? She could choose, let's say she chooses 1 mystery, that's 5 choose 1. And she chooses 1 crime, so that's 3 choose 1. Then she's got to choose both of the romance ones to make up her 4. She could choose 1 of those and 2 of those, and if that's the case, she has to choose 1 of those. Or she could choose her 2 from here, in which case both of these choices have to be 1. So there's those 3. So 5 choose 1 is just 5 times 3, and there's only one way of choosing both, so that's going to be 15. Then here, 5 choose 1, that's 5, 3 and 2, so those are 30. And then 5 choose 2, 5C2, I think that's 10, isn't it? Let's just check that again. 5C2, that's 10. And then there's 3 choices here and 2 there. So altogether that's 60, and if we add those together, we get 105.